Hello, what's up everybody? Today we're going to understand the trend statistic in the frequency session of the SEER software, so don't go anywhere. In our previous videos on the SEER software frequency session, we highlighted how to make a frequency table and how to calculate percentages using the SEER software. Today we're going to cover the final part of the frequency session, which is calculating the trends in cancer frequencies using the SEER software. If you have missed watching any of those videos, I'll put their links in the description below. As you see here, we have opened the frequency session in the SEER stat software, and we have chosen the SEER 18 registry, which has data on cases with cancer that was collected from 1973 till 2014. Going now to the statistics tab, since the trend statistics demonstrate changes of frequencies or counts over time, we will first calculate the trends using a regular frequency session and then double check our results using the trend statistics. For now, let's find out the change in counts of acute myeloid leukemia patients over the period from 1973 to 2014. Next, in the Selection tab, using the third edition of the International Classification of Diseases in Oncology, we chose acute myeloid leukemia. For those of you who are new to my channel, please watch the video highlighted above in order to master data extraction using the SEER stat software. In the Table tab, we need to put the variable year of diagnosis in the row part of the table. So now counts or frequencies will be arranged in columns, while years of diagnosis will be arranged in rows. After hitting the Execute button, we now have our acute myeloid leukemia frequency results matrix. It's too long, so we will highlight the variables that we need to calculate the percentage change from. Since the given period is from 1973 to 2014, then the percentage change will equal to the acute myeloid leukemia frequency at 2014 minus acute myeloid leukemia frequency at 1973 divided by the acute myeloid leukemia frequency at 1973, and all of that will be multiplied by 100. After performing the required calculations, the percentage change turned out to be 846.5%. Next, we are going to verify our calculated result by running a trend analysis using the same parameters for acute myeloid leukemia patients as before. But instead of choosing frequency, we use trends. The trend variable will be the year of diagnosis. The percentage change endpoint will be for only 1 year. The annual percent change is calculated using a more complicated formula, so we are not going to cover that in this video. In the annual percentage change, we are testing if the change in percentage of cases for 1 year to the next is significantly more than 0. Since we have specified the year of diagnosis as a trend variable in the previous statistics tab, we will remove it from the row section of the Table tab. And now all we have to do is hit the Execute button, and voila! We have got the 1973 to 2014 percent change of 846.5%, and also we have got the annual percent change in AML counts of 6.3%, which is significantly different from 0. I hope that we succeeded in making you understand the trend analysis in the frequency session of the SEER stat software. If you liked our content today, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bells button in order to get notified of our latest tutorials.